estate planning for unmarried couples in Louisiana.
Hi, I'm Angela Decoteau with Estate Law Solutions. If you're in a committed relationship, but not legally married, estate planning is crucial in Louisiana. Louisiana does not recognize common law marriage or joint survivorship. And here's what you can do. Use wills and trusts to ensure your partner inherits your property by naming them explicitly in a will or a trust. You could create a power of attorney. Grant that partner legal authority over finances or your healthcare decisions if you're incapacitated. Lifetime donations. Use donations inter vivos to transfer assets during your lifetime, ensuring control while protecting your partner. Consult with a Louisiana attorney. Louisiana's civil law system requires specialized knowledge to ensure that your estate plan works as intended. For help crafting an estate plan that fits your unique situation, contact us at Estate Law Solutions.